let's click to our video, and then from here, if you don't select your video, you're gonna have this option for effects. And then from here, just click on video effects, click on the search bar, glossy and blur, something like that, and just select this is the one. Just click on cancel, accept, and then you're gonna have this blur right over here. You can zoom out a little bit and just change. And now from here, we're gonna click on the video. And then from here, you should see option to edit as overlay. But first, let's actually duplicate, and then, so we want this one. And then let's click on overlay right over here. Now we can just move this second video on top of the other one. From here, to fix this, now probably agree with me, but this is a really complicated way to add a blur. They can make this much more simple. Now we're just gonna look for mask. Okay, it's right over here. Now we want circle. Now the problem here is that is it right over here? We want inside the circle. So for that we have this option called invert. And then I'm just gonna select here, I want the face. It's gonna be like this. Okay, that's perfect. You can increase, now decrease actually the corners like that. And now here's when this doesn't work. Now if the main subject moves, then it's gonna move the mask as well. So to fix this problem, I just want to show you that you can add a keyframe here, and then I'm gonna move a little bit. Yeah, it's quite tedious, you know, it's quite an annoying process. Then move there, and then move here. It's not the best way to add a, but you know, to add a blur. But yeah, if you don't have other options, that's one way. So now here's we have the mask in on CapCut. We just blurred a part of your video on CapCut.